ICHR. According to the record in the ICHR, out of 112 freedom fighters from Manipur, 112 freedom fighters from Manipur, there were more than 80 cookies. Now, मेरे भाई और बहनों, take out your mobile, calculate. Please, fastest finger first. जल्दी calculate कर लो. 80 divided by 112 into 100 कितना बनता है? Come on, come on. How many? How many? Yes. 80 cookie freedom fighters from Manipur out of 112. कितना प्रतिशत बनता है? 70%. And how dare they call us illegal immigrants? Point number two. When the first cookie uprising took place, ये जो uprising है, who did it? We were the first tribal group to uprise against the British rule. 1917 to 1919, isn't it? Our forefathers were freedom fighters. We were the first tribal group to rise against the British rule for our India's independence, and they call us refugees. They call us illegal immigrants. How dare they? We are Indians, isn't it?
We know who patronized Arambai Dingo. We know who patronized Meitei Lipun. We are clear. Nobody can deny here. No media, nothing can deny.
Yes. Yes.
This is purely a state-sponsored terrorism. And we will fight back till the last stop.
Yes.
We will fight.
Mizoram and Nagaland. Mizoram and Nagaland. When I say Mizoram, Kan Lawm. Alright? 1, 2, go. Mizoram. 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 When I say Mizoram, from sword head. Okay? 1, 2. Mizoram. 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 When I say Mizoram, Kan Lawm. Alright? 1, 2, go. Mizoram. 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 When I say Mizoram, from sword head. Okay? 1, 2. Mizoram. 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 Alright. Any other thank you?
This is very clear. The violence, the ethnic violence against the tribals is a state-sponsored terrorism. Is a state-sponsored terrorism. We know who is in charge here. We know who patronized Arambai Dingo. We know who patronized Meitei Lipun. We are clear. Nobody can deny.